Hi, boys and girls. This is day 4 of our vocabulary lessons for Navajo Code Talkers. And we're going to jump right in with this activity that you see. Now, if you have pencil and paper, I want you to pause this video and go and get it. And I want you to write down, work on our handwriting skills by writing down these vocabulary words. If we look at our directions, they read, match the vocabulary word to the correct definition. Write the word on the line. Let's review our words. Advance, develop, exhausting, headquarters, impossible, intense, messages, and reveal. So number 1, very tiring. Which word means very tiring, boys and girls? Just shout it out when you write it. Absolutely, it is exhausting. Exhausting. Good job. All right, boys, this one is for you. I want you to answer this one aloud for me. In front of others or forward? Which vocabulary word is that? All right, boys, which one is it? Advance. Good job. Advance. Girls, number 3. Words sent or delivered from one person or group to another. All right, girls, which word should we write on this line? Messages. Good job. In today's world, this one always makes me think of text messages because that's what we do. Number 4. Place from which the head of an army, police force, or so forth sends out orders. Which vocabulary word should we write on this line, boys and girls? Headquarters. Awesome job. Awesome job. Number 5. To make known. Make known. Someone in Miss Burrow's class, if you're listening to this, yell it out for me. Absolutely. It is reveal. When we reveal it, we make it known. Good job. Number 6. Brought into being or activity. Can I have someone from Miss Stevenson's class shout that answer out as you write it? Developed. Awesome job, Miss Stevenson's class. Number 7. Very much, very great, very strong, extreme. Could I have someone from Miss Johnson's class shout this answer out after you write it? Intense. Good job, boys and girls. And number 8. Not capable of being done, or happening. Boys and girls, what's that word? What's that word? If it's not capable of it, I see the word not, and I know that the prefix "im" carries that same meaning, impossible. Good job. It is impossible. It is not possible. Awesome work on these words, boys and girls. Continue to study them. Go back in your other folders and watch the other videos to get you ready for your test on tomorrow. You are awesome. You rock. You are fantastic. I love you. I can't wait until we can be together again in this classroom and at school. Until then, I want you to help mommy out with chores at the house. Take care of mommy and daddy because they take great care of you. Hug them often. Tell them you love them. And always remember that Miss Gardner loves you. Have a great day. Bye.